In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace Commerce to Mailchimp. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can sync your online store with your email marketing and start using your customer data more effectively. By the end, your Squarespace Commerce store will be talking directly to Mailchimp in the background, keeping things updated without you having to manually upload lists. First, head over to Mailchimp and log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation panel. In that panel, find the option labeled Integrations. Go ahead and click on that. On the Integrations page, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into the search bar and type Squarespace. As you type, you should see different Squarespace-related options appear. What you're looking for specifically is Squarespace Commerce. When you see that in the search results, select it. After you click on Squarespace Commerce, the page will reload and open the integration details. Here, you'll see a button that says Connect. Click that Connect button to start the setup process. Mailchimp will now guide you through the integration steps. When the new page loads, scroll to the bottom and click Continue on the lower right corner. At this point, a small pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is asking for permission to connect your Mailchimp account with your Squarespace Commerce store. It may list the types of data that will be shared, such as customer information, purchase history, or store details. Take a moment to review these permissions so you understand what's being synced. If everything looks good, click Allow in the pop-up. The window will close automatically and your main Mailchimp page will refresh. Now you'll be taken to the sync settings screen. This is where you can review how data will flow between Squarespace Commerce and Mailchimp. Depending on your setup, you may see options related to audiences, e-commerce tracking, or how often things sync. Take a moment to look over these settings and make sure they match how you want your store and email list to work together. When you're satisfied, go to the bottom right of the page and click Sync Now. The page will reload and you should see a confirmation message that says something like, Success. Your sync is in progress. At this point, the connection is set up. Your Squarespace Commerce store is now linked to Mailchimp, and the sync will run in the background, keeping your data up to date automatically. And that's it.